Hello students, myself Kavita teacher. Today's topic is structure of Indian economy. The question will be asked, structure of Indian economy. So what is structure of Indian economy? Means our economy consists of economic activities like primary sector, secondary sector, service sector. Means here you should not get confused. If structure of economy is asked, then you will explain primary sector, secondary sector or service sector. Otherwise, how the economic activities are classified. So again the answer is primary sector, secondary sector, service sector. The topic already you have studied in 8th standard. What is primary sector? Primary sector, it means which are directly related with nature. For example, agricultural activities, cattle rearing, cattle breeding, increasing the number of animals, fishing, collection of forest product, mining. So you can see these all examples all are related directly from nature. Means directly we are obtaining the things from the nature. So these all activities are involved in primary sector. So question can be asked like what is included in primary sector. See the chart, you can understand very nicely. Primary sectors example like mining, agriculture, fishing, forestry, mineral extraction, that is oil. They all are included in primary sector. So our next, that is a secondary sector. Secondary sector is directly related with industries. Secondary sector is directly related with industries. See the examples like small and large scale industry, factories, construction work, that is construction of building, electricity. It is included in secondary sector because electricity, gas, water, they all are input to industries. If electricity, gas, water is not available, you cannot start any factory, you cannot do any production in industries. That's why it is included in secondary sector. At last, you can say from a small pin to gigantic machines that are big machines, each and everything is included in secondary sector. See the chart, you can understand all the pictures shown over here, they all are related with industry. So next we can see service sector. It is also known as a tertiary sector. Service sector includes trade, communication, airway, waterway, education, health, banking, insurance, tourism and entertainment. Service sector, actually if service sector is not there, so primary sector goods cannot be reached to industrial sector, that is secondary sector. So service sector is a link, service sector is link between from a primary sector to industrial sector. For example, if we see, if a farmer produces goods and afterwards it has to be converted into finished goods like wheat, next converted into wheat gets converted into bread, so it is done in the factory. Later on that bread should be available in the market, so other services are helpful so that the product comes to the market and then to the customer. So the question can be what is included in service sector. See further classification of tertiary sector. Otherwise you can say what is included in tertiary sector, that is trade, transport, communication, service, tourism, etc. etc. Now the countries which progress in industrial sector and tertiary sector are developed much. For example, in the previous period I told you the feature of developing economy, in that we have said that the country is dependent on agriculture sector, so the development is slow. But as a country goes to the progress for industrial sector and service sector, the growth of the country can increase. See the questions. Explain the structure of Indian economy. So you should write all the three sector. what are included in primary sector, what are included in secondary sector, what are included in service sector. You can answer it. You have to give only the examples, need not to define over here. So thank you.